Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today will be not typical video because right now I'm working on a very beautiful wedding order. It's going to be a butterfly arch with such giant butterflies, different sizes, with different colors and moving flowers. So I decided just turn on camera and show you some preview version, some behind the scenes, and I hope this video will inspire you to create something beautiful, gorgeous, because I already have such tutorial on my YouTube channel. I have even a few tutorials so you can create butterfly up to 3 meters in diameter or even butterfly with tails. Here is the sketch we are going to create, so let's start. I decided to make it asymmetrical, so I cut one side a little. As a base, I used flexible pipe 26 mm because it's very strong and perfect for modeling. My arch is one side 6 feet and another side 8 feet tall. The main tool we are going to use today is zip tie, the best friend of any decorator. Here's my first butterfly. For storage, I always fold the wings to keep them in perfect condition. So let's open them up and bend the end. When butterfly is ready, we are going to place it at the bottom of our arch. Always start with the biggest size butterfly. Position the butterfly and secure it with zip ties. This is a giant butterfly, so use at least 2 zip ties to ensure it's secure. It's always better to use a few extra, just to be confident everything stays in place. The first butterfly is placed. Now let's fluff the wings a little more to give that gorgeous full look and move to next butterflies. Next, I am adding a different color butterfly, a warm yellow ombre. Carefully spread the wings and prepare our butterfly for the arch. And a little tip when placing the butterflies, always put them facing in different directions. This keeps the design more interesting. If they are all facing the same way, the arch may look a little boring. In total for today's arch, I prepared 12 butterflies, 6 for each side. But let me know in comments how many butterflies would you choose for such an arch, because I would love to add even some flowers in places between butterflies. Maybe I will make it for the next video. By the way, let me know in comments how do you like such behind the scenes videos. I am looking for your feedback. And next butterfly. Mixing different sizes adds variety and makes the design even more visually attractive. Secure it with zip ties, fluff the wings and repeat the process. Next I will be making the second part of the arch, the same way like the first one. Just make sure you have enough quantity of zip ties when you will be making your arch. The arch is ready. Now you know how to make not just a flock of butterflies, but an arch of them. It looks like nothing else, and people will definitely know it's handmade with love. Also, this week I'll be publishing a new tutorial for giant rose, so be sure to follow my channel for the next projects. Thank you for your support and hope you liked today's video. We'll be happy to see you on my Patreon, where I try to build a community of fellow crafters and share all the templates with people who support me. Let's create together. See you in the next video. Bye bye.